Welcome back, people, to section 4, most likely the final part of our video. Lance is probably going to be the final part, so just... Yep. There's going to be 4 parts to my video. And if anyone actually watches this on YouTube, thank you. Because I know this video is going to be crap.
Oh my god.
It's because I'm filming it with an iPod sitting on something. Oh, look at that, I died.
What?
Yeah, I'm
You
dead.
suck so many balls. I cannot believe how many balls you suck right now.
Oh,
I hate
God.
you. You're the worst person.
Where are you?
I hate you. I ran away. Dude, he's chasing me with a vengeance. He had a taste of your blood, now he wants mine.
Okay, since I can't find you, I'm just going to spin in circles.
No, go look at the other tapes.
Alright.
I feel like
Hey, I found you.
I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna look. I swear to you. Oh, I looked.
Hey, look at Tombstone.
David, I looked. It was not. It was the most terrible idea I've ever had.
Ow, he's dead. You are dead.
Like, I barely turned around. I saw his hand, and then he grabbed me.
Dang it, Gandalf!
What are you doing? Tapes. Now let them watch this part. See what we did.
Okay, good. Now you people can watch the end. How did I walk like 300 more meters? Anyway.
You ran faster, I guess. I don't know. Hey, not Scream 7 screens. That was probably the scariest game yet. It sucks though. You have to upload 4 videos.
Oh well. Clearly, I'm pretty sure we needed to go to the middle.
Hey, we might do it eventually.
Yup.
Ah.
There we are. I sort of.
Yeah, that's where you died. Now I'm looking around and I died right there. Ah.
And there's